welcome to our channel Tech Lambda. So here we discuss about new topic array and hash table. So this is our painting like how we declare array. So I already informed dollar symbol you can declare variable. So dollar symbol also you declare array playlist by introduction. Second one is PowerShell. Third is variable. These are the list of array. So in array we start indexing with 0. So this is you think like this is 0, 1, 2 and another is 3. Variable and array. Introduction, PowerShell and variable. So it create our array. So if you want to see only indexing one value, so you simply type my video 0. In 0 index we have introduction. You want to check another index 3. So you in this index 3 0 1 2 3 is array. Indexing 2 we have another value is variable. So here it's variable. This is for string if you want to check like numeric value, integer value. So you also I video number like 1 3 4 5 and we see the output video number. See video number. This is for integer. So if you want to check another value in different way we define like hash course video like this and we define at the rate in bracket introduction PowerShell and array. So want to check its course video and run it. So it also defines same. This is the another way to define array. If you want to check value, so you easily check with bracket mention here to check it. Provide variable. In this index 2 variable, so provide 2. Now next topic is hash table. So write hash table. So this is command in PowerShell with hash command down if you want multiple line command. So with right this is our PowerShell series. This is our PowerShell series. This is also command. This is multi-line command. This is single line command and multi-line command. So in hash uh, you can check key value of variable. So like hash with the dollar server name plus 2 at the rate, but we define hash function hash table with curly braces. So here we start this bracket. In array we define this bracket. We give some value like 9 names server IP address this operating system Windows Server 19 and location data center like this and close it. After that you want run it, so with same name run it to provide all the information like name, IP address and operating system. Here also you want to check name. With the name you check his value. So you name give like this name and check name and so this is our array and hash table. Thank you.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.